Ever felt lost in a sea of data, yearning for a clear, concise way to understand it? Let's talk about crosstabs, also known as pivot tables, the unsung heroes of data analysis, allowing you to see patterns and identify key insights in a flash. First, what exactly is a crosstab? It's a fundamental table layout in which rows and columns display data, allowing you to analyze variables side by side in Tableau. This setup is perfect for comparing different categories and uncovering hidden relationships. Imagine your data as a bunch of puzzle pieces, completely scattered. A crosstab helps put those pieces together for a clear picture. Begin by dragging your desired dimension on the row shelf. For instance, let's use region. You'll see your first set of insights. Now, drag a second dimension onto the columns shelf, such as category. Your view is evolving. Next, bring a metric, like sales, and drag that into the text or label section. Now, you're getting a summary, with the total sales for each category within each region. Notice how you can immediately compare sales across different regions for each category. Do some regions outperform others? Tableau offers powerful formatting options that will help you highlight extremes and make trends apparent. Like color coding, try it to see what shifts and patterns emerge. You've just witnessed the magic of crosstabs. This simple yet powerful visualization unlocks a world of insights, helping you move from overwhelming data to confident data-driven decisions. That's the crosstab.